it's not about perfection today. We're really just trying to connect with each other. This is an opportunity to express our ideas, to formulate and understand each other's ideas, and try to find something that we find meaningful to bring forward in our lives. I will also be hosting a 5-day design sprint with a FemTech challenge. I have to say that today is part of my effort to understand what's important for us to take forward and run a full 5-day sprint with in May. And if anyone would like to join me on that, we can talk afterwards. Nicole and I will both be collaborating in the Global Virtual Design Sprint in May. The first 15 minutes we'll be looking at what's working and then what's not working. And from what's not working, we will take those pieces and bring them down and cluster them into like ideas and categorize them. The categories aren't so much important, the titles aren't so much important. What's important is that you're moving ideas around and we're getting to see where the heat is, where our heat is, rising up to really increase the social impact of sexual wellness for women today. Yeah? And from that not working piece, that's only the beginning. Sometimes we get very caught up in the not working piece, but really we're trying to find one problem that we all decide upon that we can look at and reframe as how might we increase it, how might we delete it, how might we look at the different aspects around the problem and enhance it with wild ideas. How might we do it in a spa? And then we will look through all those how might we's and pull one down so we can start ideating solutions. So it's not about the perfect solution or the only solution. It's a way for us to move through ideas, connect with each other, and bring us to a feeling of having expressed ourselves and really delved into looking at the possibilities around increasing the impact of sexual wellness for women today.